Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share you how to make this portfolio design in PowerPoint in just 6 minutes. So let's start. But first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more templates and tutorials like these. So first of all, we're going to open up a clean PowerPoint template in which I'm just going to put all of my stuff. First of all, we're going to go to shapes and insert a text box. In this I'm gonna type my text, which is gonna be my title, which is portfolio, because this is a portfolio. The font I'm gonna use is, I will just put it in my description below, so don't forget to check out my description. You can get it from thefonts.com or Google Fonts. Let's put it into the middle and the center of my template, and then I'm just gonna increase its size, and the color I'm gonna use for it is navy blue, which is very dark but a blue shade. Next I'm going to duplicate my text box using Ctrl plus D, or just copy paste it again, in which I'm going to type down my name, whatever the name I'm using for my portfolio. Then I'm going to insert another small text box onto the left top corner, and in this I'm going to type my navigation pane. So what I'm going to do is just type my text, whatever text I want. I'm just gonna use a different font for this. I will type down in the description again what font I'm gonna use for this. And for the main title, let's just duplicate it, and I'm just gonna type my navigation panel and my titles. On which page what I will show, I'm just gonna type it down here. So on first we have a home option, on second we have about, and then we have clients, portfolio, and contact. Now insert a new slide. In this, what I'm gonna do is just paste my stuff, the image and elements I'm gonna use. Next I'm just gonna duplicate the same, paste it the font that I used in the previous slide, and what I'm gonna do is just put it back into my second slide, and I'm gonna insert a text box. This is going to be my about me template. Now insert a new slide, clean everything from it, and I'm just gonna put some paragraph of text. This is gonna be about what I do and what my client said about me, or something like that. So let me just change the title, which is gonna be my works. This is the detail about my works. And on the right side I'm gonna paste this letter. You can get it from Pinterest. Next we're gonna insert a new slide, and into it I'm just gonna paste this background, which is a paper, and we're gonna add our photography images and some stickers and my text. Basically this is gonna be my portfolio work and whatever I have made, because this portfolio is mainly for photographers. So I'm just gonna put my images here, whichever the images I took, and then paste the same font text box. Now insert a new slide, and this I'm gonna put the images that I have taken, and these are my best work. So what I'm gonna do is just paste the same text box from the first slide and just put it onto the top left corner and write in it best works, and then I'm gonna insert a small heading about whatever this work is about. And next what I'm gonna do is take the initial of my name, and I'm just gonna put it into the middle and add some more stickers. You can get them from Pinterest again. Next I'm gonna insert a purse right here into the below part of my another new slide, and what I'm gonna do is just, this is gonna be my what's in my bag slide, which is very static for your portfolio. You can use it to tell what things you put in your bag or what contents you have to make your photography. So what I'm gonna do is just change my text or whatever that I have, and I'm just gonna put all of my stuff here. This is how it looks like. Next what I'm gonna do is insert a new slide in which I'm gonna use the same photos. If you want, you can just change them and you can just use another photos. Next I'm gonna insert a new text box, same font as from the first slide that I used for portfolio wording. Next I'm just gonna duplicate it again. For duplicate you can use Ctrl plus D key, and in this I'm gonna type all the three types of works I do, which are photographer, social media, and designer. So I'm just gonna select all of these and these three text boxes, and I'm gonna put them onto the left side of these photos, just above them. Next I'm gonna insert a telephone photo, and what I'm gonna do is just insert a card, a paper on which I'm gonna just paste my contacts, I'm gonna copy this text box again and paste it onto my last slide, and I'm gonna just type here thank you, which is the end of our portfolio. And in this slide I am making sure that the one who views my portfolio would always contact me. So yeah, this is the final results. If you want this template for absolutely free, don't forget to check out my Patreon. I will put it for free, and don't forget to check out my description for the website link to buy this. Thank you.